Alright guys, so today we're going to learn how to make an RJ45 cable. So this is our first component right here. That's what we weave the cables through.
Don't know the actual name.
This is the RJ45 connector with two gold pins there. And this is the cable. So we also have the crimper tool, and that's what we need to cut the sheathing off the wire. And right there, show them the groove, Curtis. That little groove right there. You're going to put the wire in that, about half a finger's width or so. And you're just going to twist it around.
Gently,
so you don't cut the wire, because the wire is very thin and you would cut it very easily. So it'll just come off like that. So now inside that, there'll be this little plastic thingy and this little string. And you want to cut both of those off with the cable cutter. So just take the wires and take them away from it like that, but be gentle so you don't break them. And now you have that. And you just cut it as close as you can.
Watch the wires.
And watch the wires. Because if you mess up, you'll just start over again. So now these wires are twisted up, so you're going to want to untwist the wires.
And straighten them out. Make it nice and flat.
And make sure to side too, because that's a part of the process. Right, Curtis?
Just relaxed.
And try to stay stress-free, because...
Level head. Because you will mess up a lot.
And there's Derek on Newegg.
Dude, look, 860. No, 855 versus 880.
He thinks AMD is better than Intel. Anyway.
You can't really see it, but there's going to be an open side and then a flat closed side.
So the open side.
Can you see the holes?
Yeah, you can see the holes. Just let me focus up a little bit. Yeah.
Alright, so this side right here is the 1. This side, sorry, over here is the 8. The pattern is orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take the first hole right there.
Not hole.
Hold the first hole to where it's going to be on your left side. Take the cables. I like to put the first two in at the same time. Run them down. Orange, white, orange being first, orange being second. Then you get green, white, and try to make, keep them from getting all twisted up. Put it in the third hole. Screwed up right there.
Yeah, make sure to get it
in the right hole.
Yeah.
Because that will cause problems. Slide it down, straighten them out, run it back up. It'll make it next steps easier. Then we go blue. There's different ways to put them in. I like to just kind of bend them as I put them in and then straighten them out. But always be sure to run this little plastic piece down to the bottom. It will make things easier. Then we're going to do blue, white. Green.
And it is flustering.
There we go.
And he's got it finally. It also helps if you have extremely small fingers.
Just stay calm.
And he's on the last wire.
Run them down as far as you can.
Yeah, make sure to pull that down as far as you can.
Try to get as close to the sheathing as possible.
See how close that is, guys? Alright. So now what he's going to do is he's going to cut off the excess wire from the top. So he's going to slide it all the way down to the connector there. Don't cut the plastic, but cut right before it, and he's just going to cut it.
Try to keep the
Don't
wires
make a mess, but we'll pick that up later. Try not to make a mess. Okay, so now we are on to the connector.
like this.
So that side that has the rivets in it, not the close side.
You'll be able to feel it if you run your fingers across
the
them.
The white orange should be on the left.
As you look at it, the white orange is going to be on your left.
Yes. And
what you're going to do?
The gold contact should be facing upwards as well.
Yes. Open side up, white orange on left, gold contacts up.
And you're just going to slide it in?
Slide it in there. You're going to have to use some force.
Hard, and then make sure the sheathing is inside.
Giggity.
See where these little teeth are? You're going to want the sheathing to go past those little teeth. Just make sure it's nice and snug on there.
And I'll take the crimping tool. And
Make sure it's this side. Slide in just like that.
And press down really hard.
There's not going to be any audible noise if you did it right.
Okay. And that is a working Ethernet cable.
Orange white should be on your left. You should be able to see the brown on your right.
There it is. Okay, so
That should be good.
after that, you should just get a cable tester and test both ends, and it'll tell you what wires aren't working on 1 through 8. So if any aren't working, just be sure to go back and check, and you might have to get a new connector and crimp because sometimes the crimping messes up. So hope you guys know how to do this now.